I want you should give some guidelines regarding how to prepare for NEET MDS. What is the best strategy we should apply? What is the best way so that we can crack this exam according to you? Give your detailed strategy.
Yes, sir. So first of all, this learning period is so difficult. Um, we give full faith and full energy to start our studies daily. Um, every day, 10 to 12 hours is mandatory to study all those things because we covered all the subject of all the 4 years. But in prepared to NEET MDS, we give it in one shot. So we have only 9 to 12 months in our hand. So literally, they split all the subject and the topics. We have only 10 to 15 days for our subjects. So not 12 months. We think the 1 year is remaining. We study later. We don't think like that, sir, because every day, each and every day is very important to us, sir. And again, guide is very important. So we choose any institute and we attend the mock interviews, mock exams, mock test regularly. It's very useful to us because time management is important. And nowadays, they're changing the exam pattern also. So it's part A and part B. Within a few minutes, 75 minutes, we complete the basic subject, and the other other new question paper is opened the next to complete the first session, sir. So then we regularly attending the mock test. It's very useful to us. And also the previous year question papers and important topics, then some mnemonics and pharmacological classification. These all are regularly we memorize and regularly repeat it in our knowledge. Definitely we crack these exams.
Okay. And anywhere we can collect material, something like that. How to?
Sir, actually, most of the people joining the CD's class only, sir. That's one of the best institute in our country, sir. I also joined there and give my best, sir.
Okay. And since you are intelligent, that's why you have given this exam. You have reached this stage. So, like,
Okay.
how to gain better marks? What topics to prepare early, according to you?
So first, we definitely strong in basic subjects, sir. That's the only thing we got iron marks, sir. Um, because everybody some knowledge about the clinical subjects, sir. But basics is very important. We don't think that's is very easy like that, sir, because basics is always the base of our knowledge, base of our subjects. So we focus more in basic subjects, like biochem, anatomy, um, physio, like that, sir. And
See,
also oral pathology is a very scoring subject, sir.
so what is the best strategy to prepare the most important subject like oral pathology?
Uh, most important topics, sir. Everything is important, sir. The developmental defect, developmental anomalies, and the oral cancer and skin lesions, viral and bacterial diseases.
Okay.
Like,
And what type of day schedule we should make to crack MDS?
so my strategy is different because I'm a homemaker. I care of my child also. But the recently finished the BDS students and studying the interns also. They follow another strategies. Basically, we read initially the two subjects, and during the night time, we complete one previous year question papers and repeat all these. We studied the whole day. Again, once we recall the all the questions and give one MCQ we solved one MCQ type of on the paper, sir.
Any new pattern of exams has come in these years?
So not yet announced, sir, but in last year, um, I attended two session patterns, sir, Part A and Part B. First pattern is 75 minutes and next pattern is 180 minutes, sir. 120, sir.
I'm asking the
We
pattern.
split the 3 hours.
I'm asking the
Pattern is one, Part A is fully basics and Part B is clinical, sir. Clinical is more mock and basic is little less marks, 20 to 30 marks.
okay. I was just asking this, like the type of questions.
Type of question.
Is there any change in types of questions like compared to previous one?
It's nowadays we change the pattern of the questions. Before they asking the simple one sentence questions, one line questions, but nowadays we give the all the features of the particular syndrome. They give a few lines about that. Then we find out the what is that syndrome, what is that feature related to that, like that, sir. Initially they give one sentence, for example, it's a Jargon syndrome. The features are in the options, sir, but nowadays they give features, all those features they given to find out the what's the syndrome is related to these features, like that, sir. Because the time management is very important. We read the whole passage, 10 to 15 lines in the questions. We take more time. We know that the question is in within few lines, but in last line is the twister, sir. So we read all those lines. Time is we lose the time
Okay.
for focusing the questions, sir.
Okay.
So time management is very important, sir.
So what is the best strategy to handle such question?
So continuously we are attending the mocks, sir. That's the only reason, only way to crack our exams, sir. Because the mocks also given the same pattern of the questions for last previous years, like that, sir. So we are attending more and more questions. We solve it easily, sir. We know about the keywords only. We saw like that, sir.
Wonderful, Ragini. You have given a very good way
So,
to crack NEET MDS.
so
Since hope you are enjoying with PD classes,
yes, sir.
so how you felt with us, Ragini? कैसा लगा आपको हमारे साथ till today?
It's it's wonderful experience, sir.
Okay.